Hi everyone. I thought I'd show you some things that I decided to do with spray paint. You can get the spray paint at Walmart and it's called Majestic Red. And I decided that my $6 thrift store shelf needed color, so I spray painted those plastic plates red. And let's see, what else did I paint red? Well, when I used a plastic plate, I decided to use this glass jar and put some reindeer in it and some snow and dollar store trees and peppermint candy from, um, they come like, oops, don't run into the reindeer. They come like that, those candies. So, and they come apart real easy. See how thick this one is? Well, when you take them apart, they're only this thick, but you can use more of them that way. See? So I got a big kick out of that. And let's see. Well, I'll just go around here. This was last year's, not last year, but a few years ago. I got this at a thrift store, and I just love him. He's so cute. He changes colors. And this is, this video won't be very good because it's all over the map here. But see these ornaments? They're like this. And you get 12 of them at Menards, Menards. And they're $12.99. So I thought that's like the dollar store, only better. Anyways, I decided to put little ornaments on top like this. I thought that was real cute to display more of the peppermint theme I tried putting together this year. And this one. Excuse me. And I put candy canes in the antlers of the reindeer. And those you can get at Hobby Lobby. And the little elf guy is holding one. And let's see. This is a vintage ornament. I just love these little deer. Got 2 of them from eBay one year. This little guy is Hallmark. And then my niece gave me this angel. And the deer I had, and the Santa Claus is new this year. I repainted him. It's paper mache body. And I just put a deeper red on him. And there's Mrs. Claus. And these amethyst and milk glass lamps, someone was going to come by and buy the pair and they never showed up, so that's why they're sitting there. Sorry. So let's see. Up here I have my little snowmen, and I've had those, oh gosh, at least 10 years. And then the greenery is from a thrift store, and it's plastic, so that tells me, pretty sure it's old enough to make me happy. I like the older stuff. And then this cookie cutter was Hobby Lobby one year, I believe last year. These deer are from Walmart, and so is the tree. And these guys, oh, I just love them. They're from Hobby Lobby this year, and they were 60% off, so they were only $4 each. And those trees are so cute. They're actually pink, but they got the peppermint on the bottom, so that's why I thought that was pretty cool. So this snowman was from a thrift store. I think he's pretty old, I'm not sure. I stuck some candy canes in the back, and I think those were from a thrift store No, I beg your pardon. They were from the dollar store about 5 years ago. And this little Merry Christmas deer was only like $3 and change at Hobby Lobby with the 60% off. This year I treated myself to a Ray Dunn candy cane lane mug. Then I put an ornament upside down to make it look like foam. Gotta use your imagination. And these guys, I had this Santa I've had for, oh gosh, I think 20 years. And the elf is from Hobby Lobby, and this sleigh was only $2 and change at a thrift store, and then I spray painted it red. And that's about it, you guys. I think I showed you everything that's on my buffet. Oh no, here's another little snowman. I put him in a dome and to make a cloche, and the spray painted plate. Those plates are from, if I haven't mentioned it, you got 6 in a package, and they're plastic, and they were blue, green, pink, or yellow, and I got the green ones, and I just spray painted them, so I'm very happy about that. So that's my hutch, or my buffet, that's going on right now, unless I change it. Well, in a couple days I'll show you more decorations. It took me forever this year. Okay, have fun, and I'll talk with you soon. Bye for now.